In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sound effects to animations in PowerPoint. This is a great way to make your presentations more engaging and dynamic. Whether you're preparing for a business meeting, a school project, or just want to impress your audience with a bit of flair, adding sound effects can enhance your slides remarkably. Let's dive right in and take a look at how you can do this. First things first, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you're using a Windows PC or a Mac, just go ahead and find the PowerPoint application in your program list or applications folder. Double click to open it up and you'll be greeted with your main screen. Next, you'll need to navigate to the specific PowerPoint presentation where you want to add sound effects. Once you've opened your presentation, browse through your slides to find the slide that contains the animation to which you want to add sound. It's important to focus on the precise slide because that's where we'll be working with the animation. Once you've identified the slide, click on it to select it. You'll see all the content on the slide appear in the main window. Now move towards the top of the screen and click on the Animations tab. This will switch your ribbon to all the tools you can use to provide motion to your slides. After selecting the Animations tab, you'll want to locate the Animation Pane button, which is found on the upper right section of the toolbar. When you click on this, a pane will appear on the right side of your screen, showing all the animations currently applied to the selected slide. Find the animation you wish to modify in this newly opened panel and right-click on it. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this list, choose Effect Options. A small window will then pop up, offering you numerous settings that affect how your animation behaves. In the Effect Options dialog box, there's a drop-down menu labelled Sounds. Clicking on this will bring up a list of various sound effects that are available in PowerPoint. Take your time to scroll through and select a sound that best matches the mood or theme of your presentation. Remember, the sound you choose should complement your content, whether it's a subtle click or a triumphant fanfare. Once you've made your selection, confirm your choice by clicking OK, and there you have it, you've successfully added a sound effect to your animation. Remember to preview your slide to ensure everything looks and sounds right. Now go ahead and try experimenting with different sounds and animations to create a captivating presentation. Thanks for watching, and have fun bringing your slides to life with these sound effects.